Hello, mini meatballers. Hope you're well. The last few days, every time we come up past the garden here and come up to the workshop, we've noticed that there's been some spilling here down below the workshop roof. Now, we were wondering what it was, and today we got our answer. Let's see if we can have a look. We can hear them. Tiny little bats, aren't they beautiful? All right, hopefully they enjoy themselves up there and they grow up to be strong bats and get out of there and fly around at night. Let's have one more listen to them. Wow. All right, see you later.